Hey everyone, welcome to May's English class. In today's video, I will be talking about English grammar, specifically English sentence formulas that will absolutely help you write correctly. Okay, now let's get started with an English sentence that has only one clause. I'll talk about sentences with more than one clause later. So this is the structure of an English sentence which includes a subject, a verb tense, and an object. Basically, the subject is the one that performs the action, the verb expresses the action, and the object is the one that receives the action. For example, a student is studying English. Here, a student performs this action study, and the action study is applied to the object English. Yeah, so student is a noun and English is also a noun. This shows that nouns function as either the subject or the object in a sentence. Alright, now let's take a look at this new sentence. A good student is studying English. You can see that the word could is added right before the noun student. Good is an adjective. So what role do adjectives play? Yes, adjectives modify nouns and are always placed right before a noun or after a certain state verbs such as be, become, taste, appear, look, smell, seem, feel, sound, and remain. For example, the student is good. The student becomes good. The student looks good. The student smells good. Now, let's take a look at this sentence. A really good student always studies English. We have the word really before the adjective good, and really is an adverb. We also have always before the verb studies, and always is an adverb too. So what do adverbs do? Yes, they modify adjectives or verbs. They always come before the adjective they modify. For example, a really good student, a very nice house, a stunningly beautiful landscape. However, when an adverb modifies a verb, its position can vary. For example, he quickly grabbed my hand. He grabbed my hand quickly. Both sentences have the same meaning. Now, you might often see words like and, the, some, many, one, two, three, and etc. in an English sentence. What are they? Yes, they are called determiners, and they always appear at the beginning of a noun phrase. For example, a very tall guy, a huge airplane, many difficult questions, some people. Alright, now here is a general formula for forming an English sentence. Let me explain. The subject and object follow the formula determiner plus adverb plus adjective plus noun. But the determiner, adverb, and adjective are optional. It means you can include them or, leave them out depending on the information you want to convey. However, there must always be at least a noun. Alright, but sometimes you might see a long subject or object. This is because they often consist of more than one noun phrase. Let's take a look at this sentence. A really good student in a big room is studying English with a teacher. Here, you can see the words in and with. These are prepositions. What are they used for in the sentence? Yes, they are used to connect nouns or noun phrases together. The first noun phrase, a really good student, and the second noun phrase, a big room, are connected by the preposition in. And the noun English is connected with a noun phrase, a teacher, by the preposition with. So now we have the general formula for a sentence with one clause. Subject plus verb plus object. The subject and object are noun phrases connected by prepositions. But what if a sentence has two or more clauses? It's very simple. You just need to use conjunction to connect these clauses. So it looks like this. The first subject plus the first verb plus the first object plus conjunction plus the second subject plus the second verb plus the second object. So clause is the subject plus verb plus object. So in a sentence, we have here the first clause plus the conjunction plus the second clause. So here's an example sentence. A really good student in a big room is studying English because he wants to speak English well. Alright, that's all about English sentences. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and smash the subscribe button. Take care and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.